Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert table to text in PowerPoint without losing formatting. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. We can see here this presentation included text, image, chart, shape and etc. Now we want to remove the table without losing the formatting. At first click inside the table, then select the whole table, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the table design menu. At first we remove the shading color, select the shading drop down menu and choose the no fill option. Then we can see we remove the color easily. Again select the all table cell, click and drag on our mouse and select the borders drop down menu and choose the all border to remove the border. Then click outside of the table cell. We can see we remove the table easily but not losing the formatting or the quality. Now we want to make sure the table is removed. Go to the file menu, then select the print option and check the print preview. We can see here not available the table, only the text. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.